Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Purereviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you found this particular video helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. It really helps out the channel a ton. So today's product I am going to be sharing with you is an all-in-one printer. There will be a link in the description that will take you to Amazon. You can check it out for yourself, see the current price points and all that information. But let's go into all the details of it right now. So the product I got in front of you that I want to share is HP SmartTank 7001 wireless all-in printer. This is the box it comes in. Now what's great about this is it has the large ink tanks, which means you don't have to constantly be going out there and buying ink cartridges. So let's go ahead and unbox it, show you everything it comes with. Let's get it set up, print some paper, print some images, let you see how it works, and go over all those details. Alright, let's get it all set up.
Okay, so now that we are all set up, install was very easy. It was really easy to put together. No problems there. I want to go over a couple of the features. So first off, this printer can do the printing, the copying, the scanning. It prints on both sides if you choose. It can do borderless printing. It can do wireless printing. It can do mobile printing. So it basically has all the various features, and you can also use the app, of course. Now, a big thing I want to cover is the ink. So as you can see, these are the ink reservoirs where you can see how much ink is available, which is really nice when looking at the front, because it gives you a good idea of where your ink levels are. Now it comes with about approximately 2 years of ink. So that gives you 8,000 color pages and 6,000 black pages. So it does come with a ton of ink, and because of the reservoirs, the ink lasts a lot longer, which was one of the big selling features that I found of this printer and one of the reasons I got it. Okay, so now I want to kind of show you how easy it is to fill up the ink cartridges. So essentially, you're just going to flip open the doors and you're going to twist the ink into the locking position, and then it will slowly start to drain and flow into the reservoirs. On the front of the printer, you will see the ink actually filling up. So it is very easy to do. You just go from color to color to color, and then, of course, if a color runs out, you just go back and really fill it up. Okay, as you can see from the paper tray, it is fully adjustable. It does envelopes, 5x7, 4x6s. It does the B5, A5, A4, 8.5x11. It also does double-sided printing and print through, so that way if you have something that you don't want to bend, it'll go out the back. The various smart guide buttons illuminate when you're using them, whether it's copying, scanning. So that makes it a little bit nice because you can see the various features, but everything is very easy to see and read on the front panel, depending on what features you are using. The scanning bed is a manual, so you have to place your paper down. It doesn't auto-feed, but it is a nice size scanning, so you can do large documents. Okay, so finally I want to cover printing. It prints about 15 pages per minute for black and white and about 9 pages per minute for color. So decently fast, not as fast as a laser printer, but pretty good for a inkjet printer.
Okay guys, so this is basically everything for the 7001 HP SmartTank printer. I'm a big fan of it. I really like the aspect of the ink reservoirs. It's a lot more eco-friendly because you're not going through those ink cartridges as often. Instead, you are filling up the printer, so there's a lot less environmental waste. I've also noticed that the ink doesn't seem to dry out as often, which is really nice if you're not going to be printing constantly. But overall, I really like the nice compact size. I also like how big the scanning bed is for scanning images and stuff, which I do a lot of. And yeah, and the app controls and using it for your phone and all that kind of stuff. So I'm a big fan of it, but that is basically it. So if there was something that I didn't cover, I know there's a lot of things when it comes to a printer, so if there is something I didn't cover, feel free to hit me up in the comments section. I do typically respond to those. And like I said, if you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button or leave a comment. That really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. Check out the links in the description to see the current price point and all that fun stuff. And that is it. So until the next video, you guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.